Hello, everyone. Welcome back to The English Friend, where learning English is simple, fun, and real. I'm your teacher, Emily, and today's lesson is all about supermarkets, how to talk, ask for things, and sound confident while shopping in English.
Hi, Emily. Hi, everyone. I'm so excited because I always get nervous when I have to talk to shopkeepers. Sometimes I just point at things instead of speaking.
Ha ha ha. You're not alone, Paul. Many English learners feel the same. But today, we'll fix that. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to ask for prices politely, talk about what you want to buy, use shopping vocabulary like cart, basket, shelves, cashier, and discount. Practice real conversations. So, grab your shopping list and let's start our English supermarket trip together. Paul, what's the first thing you do when you enter a supermarket?
I grab a shopping cart or a basket.
Exactly. You can say, I take a shopping cart for big shopping. I take a basket for small items.
Okay, then I look around to see where things are.
Good. You can ask the staff politely, excuse me, where can I find the bread? Or, could you please tell me where the milk section is?
Oh, that sounds nice. I usually say, where milk? Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha. That's okay, Paul, but when you add excuse me and could you please, it sounds more polite.
Let's say I want some cheese. How do I ask?
You can say, excuse me, how much is this cheese? Or, what's the price of this cheese?
Oh, and if I want to buy 500 grams?
Then say, can I have 500 grams of cheese, please?
Nice. And what if I want to know if something is fresh?
You can ask, is this fresh? When was this made?
Perfect. Now I can shop like a pro.
Let's go to the fruit section. What do you see, Paul?
Apples, bananas, oranges. Oh, I love strawberries.
Great. You can say, I'd like a kilo of apples, please. How much are these bananas per kilo?
If I want just 2 bananas,
Can I have 2 bananas, please?
got it. So easy when you say it like that. Now I want some bread and cookies.
Then say, I'd like a loaf of bread and a packet of cookies, please.
A loaf? What's that?
Good question. A loaf means one whole piece of bread, like a full bread you slice at home.
Oh, okay. So I can say 2 loaves of bread if I want more?
Exactly. You're learning fast, Paul.
Emily, how do I ask for juice?
Can I get a bottle of orange juice, please? Do you have any cold drinks? And if I want to check sugar-free options, do you have sugar-free juice? Is this drink sugar-free?
Perfect. That's useful for healthy people like me.
Sometimes you can't find something. Then you can say, excuse me, could you help me, please? I can't find the rice section.
Or I'm looking for toothpaste.
Yes, that's perfect and polite.
All right, time to pay.
At the cashier, you can hear questions like, do you need a bag, cash or card? Would you like a receipt?
I can answer, yes, I need a bag, please. I'll pay by card. Yes, please. I need the receipt.
Perfect, Paul. You sound like a fluent shopper now. Shopping bag.
What if there's a discount?
You can ask, is there any discount on this item? Are these on sale?
And if the price is too high?
You can politely say, that's a bit expensive. Do you have something cheaper?
Nice. That helps when you're saving money.
All right, friends, it's practice time. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find the milk? How much is this? Can I have 1 kilo of rice, please? Is there a discount on this? I'll pay by card. Can I have the bill, please?
Now, try to make your own sentences. For example, can I have 2 loaves of bread? Where can I find the fruit section?
Exactly. Practice speaking out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Word/phrase meaning example sentence. Cart, a trolley to carry items. I push the cart around the store. Basket, a small container for shopping. I use a basket for small items. Cashier, person who takes payment. The cashier gave me my receipt. Receipt, proof of payment. Keep your receipt for returns. Discount, reduced price. There's a 20% discount today. Shelf, place where items are kept. The milk is on the top shelf. Fresh, new and not old. These apples look fresh. Expensive. High price. This cheese is a bit expensive. Cheap. Low price. I found cheap biscuits here. Bag. Used to carry items. I need a paper bag, please. Sale. When prices are lower. I love shopping during sales. Customer. Person buying items. The customer is paying now. Bill. The total amount to pay. Can I have the bill, please? Offer. A special deal. Buy one, get one free offer. Let's quickly review what we learned today. When you enter a supermarket, say, "Excuse me," and ask politely. To ask for prices, "How much is this?" "What's the price of this?" To order food, "I'd like 2 loaves of bread." "Can I have 1 kilo of apples?" At the cashier, "Cash or card?" "I'll pay by card." For discounts, "Is this on sale?" "Do you have anything cheaper?" If you remember and practice these lines, you can easily shop anywhere in English.
Yeah, I feel confident already. Next time, I won't just point, I'll speak English.
That's amazing, Paul. And to all our friends watching, remember, learning English is like shopping. You collect new words every day. So, practice a few sentences every time you go shopping. Say them out loud, even if you're alone.
And don't forget to have fun while learning.
Exactly. Thank you so much for watching The English Friend. If you like this lesson, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends.
See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Keep learning, keep smiling. Star.